Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to do a plan with me for the month of December. Of course, we're doing Christmas. Gotta love Christmas. So we're going to digitally plan with a Christmas theme.
All right, so we're going to use the December 2022 I have a free version. So if you haven't tried out my planner yet, I have had a November and a December free version. That's close to basically my new planner, but it is a free trial to try it out before you start with, January. Anyway, I'll link that below so that you can, if you haven't already gotten the November, December free one, I'm going to link that below for you, but that's neither here nor there. We're going to use, I'm really excited about this. We're going to use the Nativity set this time. We're going to go ahead and open that. I'm going to open it. If you haven't used the Elements collection, I like to use the Elements collection. And so we're going to use the Nativity scene. Oops, wrong button. You hit the little, I think I did that too quick, so let's show you again. You hit this little box right here, and that's going to open it in a side panel for you. And I'm going to slide it over just a little bit so I can see 3 at a time. And then I'm going to shrink that down so that I can see my planner well. Okay, so again, this is the December 2022, but the updated. In the past ones, I've always used my other one, but this one I wanted to go ahead and use the newer version. So here is our nativity scene. I wanted to use the baby Jesus and all of that for this one. All right, so I'm going to start with this bottom row because we don't need it. So I'm going to fill that in. As you can see, it gets a little wonky when you use this. So we're going to go over to the photo tool and straighten it out. And make it so it fits. Okay, that's good. And I want to fill in this box here also. So I'm going to bring in that guy. And again, it's going to get wonky because it's not on the image tool. Wish the Elements tool was a little bit better, but it's okay. I'm just grateful for the Elements tool. All right, we'll fill that in a little better. All right, there we go. Next, I want to do my date covers. This new calendar the calendars start as a Sunday start to Saturday. The calendars are that way, but you also have the ability to, your not Wednesdays, oh my goodness. Your weeks are both Sunday start and Monday start in the actual planner. As you can see here, there's a link for the Sunday week and a link for the Monday week. But let's go ahead and use our image tool so we can fix this down. Okay, Tuesday, there's Tuesday. Give me your Wednesday. Now, my boxes do have these little circles, so that way you could put the date in as well. If you don't want those little circles, you can tap it, crop, and just, remove it. I'm not too worried about that today. Oh, Saturday, where'd you go? There you are. Okay, so we have all of that. Okay, maybe that does look a little funny. Let's go ahead and crop that out and refix them. Just takes a second. This one, in past months, I've also used the color changing stickers to do all my meetings. Decided not to do that. I'm gonna actually use the flags that are inside the kit for all my meetings this month. Okay, looks a little wonky, but it's all right. Okay, so we'll start with, let's add baby Jesus first. I just love baby Jesus on here. Where'd he go? There he is. Happy birthday, Jesus. Right on Christmas Day. Okay, you may be hearing my dogs whine. They're wanting some attention. Go on, boys, go lay down. All right, so we're gonna start with our weekend. And we do weekend banner. We do family time on Saturdays. I'll just put it right there. And let's see, anything else? Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy, because these are always the same. Okay, I know that my daughter has an ACT on the 10th, so I'm gonna put that in so that I make sure she gets to her appointment thing. Let's see, that is at 8 a.m. And we'll move that over. But I want to recolor that. And oh boy, boys, go on. ACT. Okay, so see, I'm gonna use the flags this time. Let's see, I'm going to use my Monday Zoom meet, or not my coffee chat. All right, we got that. Oh, you know what? I don't really want to use that since my coffee is purple. That's not going to match very well. Okay, so let's do the blue. All right, so we got that. Where'd my coffee cup go? We've got coffee chat. At 8:30. Okay, we're gonna need to resize that smaller, obviously. And let's, come on. Oh, that was going a little wonky. All right, and then I have that every week, so we're just gonna go ahead and copy that in. Okay, let's see. We have church. Oops. Well, goodness. We have church. Where's my church? Church on Sundays. And we do my planning for the week. Where'd my planner go? There it is. On Sundays as well. I should have just added that in. I just love that little planner cover. I think that's super cute. Okay, let's see. Wednesdays we have another meeting on Wednesdays. Let's do green. (10 a.m. training). Let's turn off handwrite. No, it shouldn't do it. Color. I'm thinking about you when I use the color changing flags. That would make it. We have Bible study. Okay, then we have payday on the 1st. I love months when we get paid 3 times. That's always nice. Then we also have, where's my pay bills? Let's see. Let's use the purple. Pay bill. Always pay bills on the Friday. After pay. Okay, now we have the kids are out of school. So I'm going to use this box and I'm going to go to images. I'm going to shrink it down. Guess you got to make it wider first and then shrink it down. And I'm going to write no school. See how well that did turn out good. Okay, let's color again white just to make it show up real good. So they don't have school that week or that week. And then they also, this one's going to have to be finagled a little bit because they do have school, but they have a half day that day. Where did my little, there it is. So we're going to zoom in and sometimes my writing is not the best, so I've got to go in and do it through that way. Okay, so we got a half day, no school. What else we got going on this month? We're not really doing anything with family too much with family. I mean, we'll be getting together a little bit, but we haven't set in stone when yet. So most of our family is off away. So there's that. I think I have pretty much added everything. I didn't really want to add too much to this one because I don't exactly know, you know, time schedules of when we're going to get together with the family close in town. Let's see, I do want to add one of these. Let's do this one. I'm going to add that right there. Just because. There we go. We got that in there. And yeah, I think I'm going to leave it like that for right now. Of course, I'll add, like I said, when we're getting together with family, once we do decide, finalize that. And so there is our this month's December 2022 using the nativity scene script, nativity scene kit. Again, we're also using the free November, December. If you haven't gotten that, I'll link that below. I'll link the kit below. Oh, if you didn't know, there's also an everything bundle where you can get basically every digital planner item in my shop for one price. And I will link that below as well, so you can check that out. But that is our month. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, let me know. I pray that you have a very Merry Christmas, blessed Jesus' birthday. Have fun time with your family, and we will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.